Hello everyone, welcome to tenses part 2. Okay, now second, the past tense. It is divided into simple past tense, past continuous or past progressive tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense are also known as past perfect progressive tense. Okay, now first we learn simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense is used to show an action which took place or done at some time in the past. Okay, which took place or done at some time in the past, then simple past tense. Now see how you identify sentences in simple past tense. Okay, first comes subject. Okay, you see the subject first, then verb 2. Verb 2 means what? Past tense. Okay, whether it is singular subject or plural subject, we use only past tense. And next come object or remaining part of the sentence. Now see example. I came home yesterday. Here come present tense, came past tense. So we used past tense. Okay, simple past tense sentence. Okay, next, he bought a new laptop. Here also buy, bought. Okay, who taught you this lesson? Here teach, taught, past tense. So we used verb to past tense. And next see, I slept on the floor. Sleep, slept. So here also after the subject verb to. He went to school. Here go and second form verb to went. Okay. She helped her mother. Help, helped. Here also verb to used. And I got fired. Get present tense and got past tense. So whether it is singular subject or plural subject, we use only verb to when the simple past tense. Okay. Now second, past continuous tense or past progressive tense. Okay, this tense is used to indicate an action which was going on in the past at a certain point of time or a period. Okay, listen, to indicate an action which was going on in the past at a certain point of time or a period. Okay, now how you identify sentence is in past continuous tense. Okay, first you can see subject, after that was or were. Okay, plus ing form of verb plus object or remaining part of the sentence. Okay, see now one more point. Here the auxiliary verb was is used with the first person singular I. Okay, always first person singular I was. Okay, I were known, it's not suit for that. So first person singular I or third person singular he, she, it, etc. Okay, and were is used you, we, they. Okay, see for example, I was going to the library. Subject I, so we used was. Okay, I were little different. It looks so. Actually, I plural subject, then also I was used. Okay. Next, he was singing while his sister was dancing. See, was singing and was dancing. So, past continuous tense. The children were playing so happily that I did not want to stop them. This now that plural subject, so were used. Now next, past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense is used to indicate an action that was already complete at some time in the past. Okay, that was already complete at some time in the past. That means past perfect tense. Okay, now how you identify past perfect tense? Okay, first you can see subject, after that had. Okay, verb to had, then what? Verb 3. After that object or remaining part of the sentence. Okay, whether it is singular subject or plural subject, we use only had here. Okay, now see note, whether it is singular or plural subject, we use only had. Okay, after the subject we use had. Okay, whether it is singular subject or plural subject, after that verb 3, then remaining part of the sentence, then you will get which sentence? Past perfect tense. Okay, now see example, I had washed my clothes. Okay, I, after I we used had, then washed, verb 3, okay, wash, washed, washed. So past participle used. Next, the bus had left, okay, here also singular subject, then also we used had, okay, why? Past perfect tense. So after that left, leave, left, left, so which third form used, okay. Next, see, I was sorry to say that my friend had already left, okay. See this sentence here, see, after had already one word is there, then next left, so then also it is past perfect tense, okay. Had left is here, okay. So next, I had put all the dishes to clean. See, I subject, then had, after that put, okay. Present tense also put, past tense also put, and past participle also put, okay. Next, see, one more sentence, she had written, okay. She subject, after that we used had, then written, okay. Write, wrote, written, third form, past participle. This letter before I met him, actually here, see, I subject, after that verb to, that means that simple past tense, okay. Next, past perfect continuous tense or past perfect progressive tense, okay. It is used to indicate an action that was going on at some time in the past, okay. An action that was going on at some time in the past, okay. Now how you identify sentence is in past perfect continuous tense, okay. First we can see subject, after that had, then been, why? Perfect tense, so been used, after that continuous, so ing form of verb, then object or remaining part of the sentence, okay. If you read this formula, then you will get, you read that sentence also, if sentence contains same formula, okay, subject, after that had, after that been, after that ing form of verb, then remaining part of the sentence, okay. Now see some example. Many people had been waiting there to get a glimpse of the minister, okay. See here, many people, subject, after that had been waiting, had been ing form of verb, waiting, then remaining part of the sentence. Next sentence, see, they had been living, here also subject they, after that had, then been, then ing form of verb, so it is, this also past perfect continuous tense. Next sentence, see, I had been trying to do my homework, here also subject I, after that had, then been, then ing form of verb, trying, okay. Next, I know that she had been studying hard for the exam, okay. Here subject she, then had, after that been, then ing form of verb, studying, okay. For more information, you see part 3, okay, future tense. Thank you.